Well, it's been a while, but I ended up having a cheat meal last weekend. We'll dive into that here in a second, but first, let's get straight into the weigh-in results. I weighed in this morning at 267 pounds, which is a loss of 2.4 pounds this week. That brings my total weight loss to 34 pounds in 68 days. I am now 17 pounds away from my first milestone goal weight and 52 pounds away from my ultimate goal weight. I'm very happy with the progress, but a slowdown is coming. As I pointed out at the beginning of the video, the wife and I succumbed to temptation last weekend and went out for a cheat meal and dessert. I felt pretty guilty afterwards because I had been so strong for so long. I will again reiterate that sometimes life just happens. We're going to have moments where we're going to fail. It's just inevitable. I'm at least happy that I've been able to keep these moments fairly spread out. So after falling off the keto wagon, I did another 48-hour fast. It is a great way to get things back in the right direction after those weak moments. Check out the video I did on recovering from a cheat meal if you haven't. The tips I give in that video really do work, which is why I was still able to lose weight this week even after a cheat meal and a very non-keto dessert. I only managed to get in 3 strength training workouts this week as it was a fairly hectic week, but I did get my 10,000 steps every day. Now this upcoming week is going to be very challenging, and to be honest, I don't know how much I'm going to be able to stick to the keto diet. I'll be able to give some more details in my next weigh-in video, but this is the slowdown I've been talking about the last couple of weeks. How much of a slowdown will this be, or how much of a recovery effort will be involved after this week? That remains to be seen, but I do promise to keep you all updated, so stay tuned.